Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do another mukbang. And today I have 5 guys, which is pretty messy. I got a side of pickles and grilled onions. Hope you can see that. And I got Cajun style fries, which most of them are in the bag. Shocker. They give you hella fries, like. Yes. Again, which I already am. I just got a little cheeseburger with lettuce, tomato, onion, mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, with some pickles on the side. And I'm gonna show you how to dress with fries. Excuse the shaking. I'm filming on my bed, so it's gonna be a lot of that. I add Dazinali, like so. Ooh. Ketchup. And the grilled onions. And for my drink, I'm gonna have a LaCroix mango flavor. If you never tried these things, you're missing out. These are bomb.com, and it's a healthy alternative to soda. Just saying. Okay, first bite. Oh yeah. Okay, I have a fork now. I just got off work, so I'm super hungry. So I'm digging in. And the main reason I got 5 guys today is because a lot of people that have tried this in In-N-Out said they're similar. And I stay in North Carolina, so this is the closest I'm going to get to In-N-Out anytime soon. So if you're in Texas or LA, you're super lucky. People make In-N-Out look so freaking good. I would say this is pretty good. Pretty well. If I say so myself. And considering how popular In-N-Out is, I don't understand why it's not just everywhere when they start branching out. So I'm pretty sure they got the money and funds to do it. And they have the demand for it. So get one. I can't imagine if they opened one in like North Carolina, because I would travel 2 hours. Well, see how far would I travel? I would travel up to 4 hours just to try it. But it's just kind of ridiculous. These are so refreshing. Excuse me. Yeah, so mukbangs are my favorite video to watch on YouTube. We're still that after. My camera literally failed just then. And I was like wondering why my head wasn't fitting like in the screen. Like, it keep getting lower or something, and it fell. Anyways, that's what I was saying. Mukbangs are my favorite video to watch and film. Even though I only have 2 other ones on my channel. It's because my setup basically sucks. Like right now I'm on my bed, so it's shaking. So this setup that I thought was gonna work isn't. But I'm still figuring it out. Just not working out. Because like even if you don't like watch mukbangs for like the typical reasons, you can at least get like food inspiration or recipes or different ways. Like somebody, I'm gonna tell you, this combination right here is bomb. Cause this is my twist on the animal style kind of thing, like the Thousand Alley. It's really good on fries with the grilled onions. I just didn't add cheese. That's like the only huge difference. And they usually don't have ketchup on, but you add ketchup obviously. But this by you can make this into a meal yourself by itself. If you add like some ground beef and some cheese, is bomb. Good inside of that burger. I feel like I got food everywhere. And I am a pretty fast eater, kind of. So I don't understand how people can eat or have like 40-minute long, hour-long mukbangs. And they consume like a lot in that time frame, which is crazy. I'm not about that life. Excuse me. I would say this is kind of an acquired taste, because I've tried to put a couple other people on LaCroix, and you don't like it initially, like it has to grow on them, or they're like expecting to taste something different, and then they try it, it's like ew. But it's like, I don't know, you just gotta give it a try. Because my first time drinking that, I thought it was disgusting. That and like the Perry water. I thought it was nasty. But now I love them. And my favorite flavors are mango, the berry, lime, and lemon. Even though they taste pretty similar, they're different. If that makes any sense. So I thought I was tripping when I seen the other one. I was like, lemon, lime. Very similar. I mean, neglecting the pickles. I'm weird like that. For some reason, I don't like my pickles on the burger. Or they eat them separately. Weird. So I was thinking about doing these once a week, because I don't upload that often. But now, starting next week, I'm trying to do 2 videos a week, and the mukbang could be one of them. But I don't know. Besides running out of stuff to film, because I want to do more hair videos. But it's like, my hair is in a protective style. So, there's really nothing for me to do. I also look forward to another foot peel. I gotta figure out which one I want to do, like which brand. So definitely gonna do another one, just to see if there's a difference. But I want to try to find a different brand that does it faster. Because my previous one, like the peel will start like from 7 to 14 days. So I want to see when it starts like, and you know, finishes like in a week, like a lot faster. The last bite. Hopefully the quality wasn't too bad in this video. You know, I accept constructive criticism. I don't know, some people be trying to come for me, which I don't see those comments because delete, block, but dang. People act like they can't be nice. You don't have nothing nice to say. Don't say nothing at all. Last bite. I got one pickle left. That was pretty good though. Definitely full and satisfied. And I'm done with those fries. So that's the end of the mukbang. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, because I did. I'm super full and super satisfied. So if you like this video and you want to see more, give it a like, subscribe, and leave any more suggestions down below, or different mukbangs you want to see, or any other videos. And until next time, bye.
Yeah, I can do anything. I can do